Is this one of the best energy stocks to buy now? SM Energy Corp. So this stock it closed the session of the 2nd of December 2021 at $28.17, and the stock reached this 52-week high of 37.36, and since that time it has continued to retrace. At some point it got support from its 50-day moving average. This is the daily chart, and when that happened, after two sessions, it closed above its 10-day moving average but below its 50-day moving average. But what is certain is that the stock is correcting and pulling back, and the broader market sell-off definitely played into what's going on with the stock. Even though it started to retrace before this implosion that is in place in the broader market right now. So that's what we're looking at here, because this started. Let's get the date when it hit this resistance at 33.22. It was on the 24th, which was exactly about last week. Yes, that was exactly, it was the time all of these whole implosion started. So what is certain is that the underlying trend is a strongly bullish one, but of late we have reached this resistance that has caused the stock to continue to sell off. But right now I really think it is presenting a decent buying opportunity. This is a stock that technically is very sound, very, very sound. You can see that it does pull back, it does correct, it does cool off, trade sideways at various times, even attempting at various points, on one occasion since this 52-week, to breach its 200-day moving average, which will be its underlying trend line, its underlying trend. But it never really did so. But all in all, what we saw that after that was that the stock even extended with a much steeper angle of attack. Is this retracement we have that started to occur since the 8th of November? Has it come to an end? Because we can see that it closed slightly upwards on the 2nd of December. Okay, furthermore to that, let's see what these folks at Market Edge have to say about the stock. So what is absolutely certain is that the technical conditions is deteriorating. Overall momentum is slowing, and if support levels are violated, further weakness in the stock is probable. So yes, it looks like that. Look at that. You can see the momentum is definitely bearish. This is the momentum here. It's definitely bearish. It's oversold. It's indicating the stock is oversold here. You can see that it's not even just it's bearish in a downward sense, not like in an upward sense. It's bearish and in the oversold territory. So yes, that is what we are definitely looking at here. And they're saying if the stock closes below 31.90, this was at the Friday the 26th of November, this is what they were saying. If the stock closes below 31.90, a change in trend will be confirmed. So they are now saying, yes, based on that the trend now is a bearish trend or a correctional one. It's no longer bullish, even though the underlying trend is a bullish one. But in the near term, we are seeing that the reversal has occurred. That's what they're saying, because amongst other things, we can clearly see has broken through its 10, 20, its short and intermediate moving averages. So what does that mean? Is that a good buying opportunity? These folks here, they're saying, they're probably trying to say, why don't you look at what's going on right now and consider things in the light of the bearish case? As it concerns, maybe expect to sell more, or as we put it, expect to see if this is an opportunity for you to buy more. So what is certain is that yes, a good buying opportunity is there, but you really have to be careful as well. There's every chance it will continue to retrace further. So yes, for us, a good buying opportunity has been presented here with SM Energy Corp. Trading at the discount to all of its short and intermediate moving averages. Underlying trend is strongly bullish. You can see that. This easily will, for some market participants, just seeing a curve, a chart in this sort of manner with this sort of angle, they would easily just begin to consider it, because technically it looks, it looks okay, it looks sound, it looks encouraging, you know. So but on the fundamental thing we're saying here is that a buying opportunity has since played out. I know it's there's always this clamor to buy the dip, but why not? The dip is there, the opportunity is there, you know. So let's just quickly see what the short interests look like on the stock. Let's just quickly see what the short interest looks like. So 9% of the whole float is sold short. So yes, it is something, not a whole lot, but it is something. It is something. So easily, I would say yes, it is one of the best energy stocks to buy now. But if you're going to buy it now, just be careful. Just be careful. Do not expect it to begin to make money right away. You know, some of these these guys at Market Edge, they believe in the short term a reversal has already occurred. You know, so it's quite bearish at the moment, even though the line trend is still bullish. So the readout here on this static page from Charles Schwab is saying that it is correcting within a longer term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 28.5% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average, and is also lagging the S&P 500. But these guys also think it's outperforming the S&P 500. So yes, I think it is one of the best energy stocks to buy right now. The fact that there's a broader sell-off in the market has definitely caused it to reverse forward, because we can see that it definitely got support from that 30. Okay, it fell below that $31 magic price they indicated, but yes, we believe the broader market sell-off has definitely played into what's going on with the stock. We don't really think anything is fundamentally wrong with the stock, you know. So Charles Schwab and indeed some other analysts rate it highly, you know, but at the same time, you know, having high ratings also means that other market participants may see that as bullish signals and may, you know, be targeting it for short selling and all that stuff. So amongst other things, you know, I can, you know, just say yes, it is one of the best energy stocks to buy right now. So see what you make of it, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.